Hello friends, it's me Aswin here with you. Welcome back to PlusPoints Tube. I hope you all are enjoying my videos. Thank you for supporting me. If you have any suggestions, ideas or any doubts, you can direct message me on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Links are given in the description. And from today onwards, we have a new section called Learn While Watching. What is learn while watching? I am going to add 5 words from Oxford Dictionary and telling their meanings in Hindi, English and Malayalam. I believe it will be an informative section for you, so utilize it as positive way. So friends, don't skip the video till the end. And if you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications. Then only you will get the notification when I upload new videos. So without lagging, we can go to the video, okay? Okay friends, you all know about FaceApp, right? You may use FaceApp before or you may heard about the FaceApp. There are so many queries coming about the FaceApp, right? Nowadays. In their description they are saying a perfect selfie with one tap. Yes, it's true. By reality, they are giving a perfect selfie. In their technical editing, they are using most advanced neural editing, portrait editing technology. It makes every picture very perfect. I will talk about how much you are secured in this FaceApp. And for now, we will see how the FaceApp is working and how can you use the FaceApp. Okay. Okay friends, you can install FaceApp from the Play Store. Okay, we can see FaceApp AI face editor. These are some screenshots of FaceApp application or whatever you can do in FaceApp. Okay, if you are not installed FaceApp, just click on the install button. Okay, you can see what's about the FaceApp inside. Okay, this is 4.7 rating. Okay, let's go to the about section. Okay, there are so many about perfect selfie with one tap. That's their caption, and there are so many things mentioned in the about section. You can see the version of the application, updated date, downloads, number of downloads, download size, and you can see what access they needed. Also the purchases including, and you can see the terms and policy, privacy, everything. Let's see privacy policy. This is so huge pages. We can see it in short. In this video itself, I will tell you short. Okay, we can see the terms of use. This is also huge. We will talk about this later in this video. Okay, there is also terms of agreement, use of agreement. Okay, we will also talk about this later, or you can read from here also. Okay, let's go to download section, whether our download is done or not. Okay, it's done. We can open this application. Okay, next, continue. Okay, FaceApp is asking for permission to access our photos and videos. Okay, it's loading. It's loading our selfies, or they are fetching our selfies from our phone. Okay, almost we are there. You can see some of photos
of mine. Okay, it's still loading. Okay guys, I'm clicking on one photo, or I'm selecting one photo. They are asking for permission. They will upload our photo to their server for face transformation and image processing. Okay, let's give agree. Our photo is uploading. Okay, done. You can see so many tools there. Bottom, smile, beard styling. You can change your look to female, male. You can change your age, looking old age. Okay, you can change your haircut, hairstyle, long, short. Also, you can change your hair colors and the levels. You can change your nose shaping and size. You can wear a glass. Also, you can make morphing, and you will get so many filters there. Okay, we have so many filters. Also, you can see there are filters with a pro look. Okay, I'm just selecting one for showing you. You can control the levels also by dragging the pointer. Okay, there are so many effects. Okay, just apply, and you can see so many background. Oh my god, so realistic. If you are doing this in Photoshop, it will take so much time consuming. Okay, you have also lens blur option. You can give bokeh effect and every effect. You can control the effects. Also, you have overlay. Like you can give sun ray and the star effect. Overlay on your photo, and you can set the tattoo and the size of tattoo, transparency of tattoo. You can, and you will get so many options here. You will get option for changing the vignette. Okay, you will get so many options like brightness control, saturation control, contrast control, hue control, temperature control, sharpness control, also the grain control. You can change everything by just changing the values. Apply. You can also crop the image like this. Okay, just apply, and in the font section you will get so many filters. Some of them are pro version only. If you are a pro user, you will get all features. Okay, we can apply 2-3 filter and just see. Not good. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, you have some options like layout. You can make collages. You can make mirror images. For that you have to take one more photo. After that edits you have to save.
Okay, let's have a look at how these things are happening technically. We need two inputs. one actual input or actual image of ours, and second input is what output model we needed. Okay, then these inputs are given to FaceApp server, and FaceApp server process these images using neural networks, machine learning and algorithms. And in this process they compare with their database and our inputs. If there is any match in the patterns, they will make changes to that patterns and mix the image and process the image and give us output. This model we given and this input we given are mixed and they are processed inside their server, and they given us perfect 90% matching image what we expected. And this FaceApp server is mostly doing process in a third-party cloud server like Amazon cloud server or Google cloud server. That is how they are processing their our photos in FaceApp. Why the images are sending to a third-party cloud server? Why these applications are not made for processing in our phone itself? Why these need internet connection? So many questions are arises when we think about this. Okay, they are only answering one thing. For processing, like machine learning and algorithms used in the FaceApp for image processing and face transformation needs a lots of processing power, and that processing power is not in normal phones. Because of that reason they are using third-party cloud server, and there is a confusion in their agreement also. They are saying the photos or data giving or we are giving to them or they are getting from the user can be used for commercial use or in any other use in future. So it's so clear that our images or our data are not that much secured in their hand, or we can say maybe it's not secured. Always these type of applications usage are at our own risk, so take care of this. They are saying like the photos or data stored in the database are only for 48 hours from the upload time. After that they will clear all the data from the server, and if you want to delete manually you have to request to the FaceApp. For that we have to do some process. Let's see how to do manual deletion of our data from FaceApp database.
Go to settings, support, report issue and send logs. Then you should type here privacy. I want to delete my photos and data stored in FaceApp database. Okay, then you have to click on the report button, top right corner, then select Gmail or email. Then you have to send the mail. For that, click the send button in the top right side.
Okay friends, I have only one thing to say. Look at everything you are using in your phone and your laptop in a skeptical angle, like what is this, how they are working, and make your own questions and find out the answers. If you have any problem, you just research on it and find out what is this how this working and all. Okay, this is all about FaceApp. We can go to our new informative section, learning while watching. Okay. Okay guys, we seen 5 words today. So how was the experience? How many of you know all these words? Please comment in the comment section. I am so excited to know about your experience. And if you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications. Then only you will get the notifications when I upload next videos. So thank you. See you in the next video.